Right now I am figuring out my first destinations for my trip. I'm just googling all of the countries or cities that I'm visiting or planning to visit and finding out highlights that I definitely need to visit, tips, dangerous things that I need to avoid because I will be traveling solo. I'm going by myself and it's a long trip and I'm leaving, or I want to leave, in 13 days and I haven't booked anything, so that's pretty crazy and it's not putting stress on me, but I just know I need to get things done, get things sorted and have my first month done and have it booked and everything. So I wanted to give a quick update because I just wanted to share what it can be like to plan something, and I don't want my videos to come across as that my life is perfect, because there are ups and downs like everyone's life, and obviously I'm not going to share everything, but I think that it's okay to share reality. And I think that during this time, especially whilst planning something, it can be hard. Okay, so 2 days ago I was researching things for Costa Rica and Panama. We had called with a travel agency a week ago, and she kind of sorted out what flights I could be taking, and she kind of created me a timeline of when I would be traveling to my new destination. So I have written them all down, and now I'm gonna go through the destinations and kind of see if I can already plan some things, if I need to be careful. And yeah, so I already did Costa Rica and Panama, and I have kind of an outline of what the highlights are. I've looked at some hostels. I'm not quite sure if the best thing is to already book hostels. I might book the first few nights so that I can just know I have a place where I can get rid of the jet lag. Bear in mind, I want to fly in 10 days roughly, so that's crazy. So I feel like I need to get going. So yeah, that's the plan for today, and I'll keep you updated. It is the 4th of November. It's 10:15 at night, and me and my family just finished off some last things that I needed to do. I am leaving on Tuesday, which is in 3 days, and we've just been doing last minute things, as I said. I just did my visa, my ESTA for America, and we've ordered some few things that we think I still need. We're just getting all the little last things sorted, and I'm very excited. Tomorrow I have a volleyball tournament the whole day, so I basically only have one more day left on Monday to get everything done, and then I'm leaving on Tuesday, which is absolutely insane. I think I still haven't quite clicked. And yeah, but that is what I've been doing recently. There's been a lot of researching and a lot of thinking about how I can plan my couple of months. It is the 6th of November. I just checked into my flight for tomorrow. My flight is at 7:30 in the morning, so pretty early. But yeah, I just checked in, and now I'm gonna put them to my Apple Wallet so I can see them. I have my boarding pass from Madrid to Panama, and I also have my boarding pass from Zurich to Madrid. Perfect! Oh my gosh, it's so exciting. Hi, so I'm leaving for my flight tomorrow really early in the morning. So I am today packing everything and doing everything I need to do so that I'm ready to leave for 5 months, which is completely crazy. I can't believe I'm leaving tomorrow for that long. I think I haven't really realized yet. Anyway, so I packed everything a couple days ago, which I can show you in a second. And right now I have made a list of things that I need to do today. I've already done some of them. I need to book my hostel for the first few nights. I need to plan kind of what I want to do. I still need to go into town to get some last minute things. I need to download some music and all of that to listen to on the flight. I need to edit my video that's gonna come out soon. Okay, so this is all I'm bringing for 5 months of traveling. So let me explain. So first of all, these are the 2 bags I'm bringing. I have my carry-on rucksack, which is also going to be my day bag for the trips in the countries. And then I have this carry-on bag with everything else. So my clothes, my electronics, my shoes, just all of that stuff. Okay, so first of all, for my clothes, I have my underwear, my pajamas, my 3 bikinis. I have 1 long sleeve shirt, a jumper, 2 sports shorts, 1 skirt, a rain jacket because I am going in the rain season of Panama and Costa Rica. I have 2 tops, 2 t-shirts, 1 pair of leggings, 1 pair of shorts. I have 2 sports tops, and then I have 2 dresses. That is insane. I never thought I'd be able to pack so little for a trip. And then on the flight, I'm going to be wearing leggings and a jumper. Then for shoes, I have my Seibold shoes. They're just kind of like hiking shoes and just sports shoes in general. I was debating on bringing like running shoes, just trainers, but it would just be another pair of shoes, and I think these will definitely do. And then I also have some slides because I would bring flip-flops, but I just find these way more comfy. Then of course I have a towel. It's just a small towel, which is perfect. I have 2 other bags. So I have this like bum bag, which I think is just perfect if I don't want to bring my rucksack on a day trip. And then I have this tote bag. My brother actually went to Bali recently, and he said that this was a really useful bag, just because you can literally throw things in it and it really doesn't take up a lot of space. Then next for electronics, I have a couple of cameras that I'm bringing. So I'm bringing this camera. It's just a Canon camera and I absolutely love it. It's pretty small and it takes amazing photos. Then next I have my Polaroid camera. Then for other electronics, I have my headphones for the flight. I have a small speaker. This is absolutely tiny and we tested it out and it's perfect. So the next camera I'm bringing is my GoPro. It has just like a water thing, so it bobs up and down water, and just some other small things that you need for the GoPro. And then I guess you could call this an electronic, I don't know. It's basically this mosquito stinger. So it kind of burns away your mosquito bites, and it is literally the best thing you can do against mosquitoes. So definitely bringing that. And also for electronics, I have my little bag full of cables and headphones with wire and all of that stuff. I have a splitter, I have every cable I need to charge all of my electronics. Then for fun things, I'm also bringing a water ball because it's tiny and why not? And I'm bringing my snorkel. For my Polaroid camera, I'm also bringing more filters and a little photo album where I can put my photos in. So this sleeping bag is something that my brother recommended to me. I haven't used it yet, it's going to be the first time on this trip. And it's not like a big fluffy sleeping bag, but it's just a little sheet that goes under you and over you. There's a little hatch to put your pillow in. And I think it's going to be really nice because you never know how dirty hostels are. And I think it's just going to be nice to have something with you that you know is clean. Okay, now these things are going to be going into my carry-on bag. So I have my bathroom stuff and my liquids. And then I also have like some medicine, so just like some ibuprofen, some cough sweets, magnesium sticks, a throat spray, and just things like that that you might not find everywhere, and it's nice to have things that you're used to having. Also, I'm definitely going to be bringing a book. Okay, now a really small thing that I'm just for some reason really excited about is my card set. This card set I actually bought on my van trip, and I don't know why, I just feel like this case looks so cool, and all the cards have that on the back of them. I just think bringing a card game is just really simple. I mean, I can make friends by literally just packing this out and playing something with them. But yeah, this is like everything else, and I think it's crazy. I'm really proud of myself for packing this little, and I'm just really excited to see if I'm happy with everything I'm bringing or if I'm missing something and I just can't figure it out yet, but I guess we'll see. Okay, so everything that I'm packing, I'm going to be packing into these 2 packing cubes. So first I have this one, it's just a small one out of a set of packing cubes. And then I have this bag, which is where my North Face bag was given to me in. Okay, so all of my other clothes fit in here, and that is insane. I did not think that was gonna happen. So now I literally only have these bags for clothes. Okay, so on the flight tomorrow, I'm gonna be wearing leggings, a comfy sports top, and a long sleeve t-shirt. I think a long sleeve is just really like a must-have for airports because you never know if it gets a tiny bit cold. And then I'm also gonna be wearing my jumper. And this is the only jumper that I'm going to be bringing because I am going to hot countries, and yeah, I just think a jumper, you just can't go wrong with a jumper. And then also I'm going to be wearing Vans, so I was debating on just bringing my Salomon shoes on the whole trip and also wearing those on the plane, but I just feel like I need another pair of shoes because if I'm hiking and doing all these activities in my Salomon shoes, they're probably going to be sweaty and just a bit gross by the end of the day. So I think in the evening it might be nice to have another pair of fresh shoes. Oh my gosh, it is the night before I'm leaving. It's like nearly 11 o'clock at night and I need to wake up tomorrow at around 4:20 in the morning. So I'm not going to get that much sleep, but I can sleep on the plane. I'm really excited. I'm not nervous, but I think it's a good thing. I know I'm going to have a good amount of nerves tomorrow, so I'm doing good. I have my bag packed down there. I have my bigger bag with my clothes packed downstairs. I'm just loading up my camera batteries and all of that stuff. I have my clothes ready for tomorrow. My parents are ready for tomorrow. I'm just ready for tomorrow and I literally can't wait. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh. I guess all that's left to say is to let the adventure begin.